Octopuses are animals that inhabit only the seas, being very similar to other specimens such as squids or cuttlefish. This allows them to be classified within the class of cephalopods, which literally means head with legs. However, they differ from the previously mentioned species due to the lack of 2 tentacles, having only 8 arms, which are connected at their base by a membrane and the mouth, which is why they are given the name octopus. Additionally, many species of octopuses share a unique habit, blending into their surroundings to hunt their prey or hide and avoid being eaten. The master of them all is the Mimic Octopus, as it has perfected its technique to the point of imitating other animals. This particular octopus species lives exclusively in the seas of Southeast Asia, along the coasts of Sulawesi, Thailand, and the Philippines. However, the place with the highest number of sightings is Indonesia, where it inhabits sandy plains at depths ranging from 6 to 40 feet, the same areas where the animals it mimics can be found. They are octopods, a large order of mollusks characterized by the presence of 8 legs and a body. It is the only species of the genus Thamoctopus and is famous for imitating the appearance of other marine animals, both venomous and those with a bad taste, which helps it evade predators. This octopus can reach about 24 inches in length, including its arms, which are about the thickness of a pencil. Its natural color is beige with brown markings. The term natural color is used because it can change its hue at will. Each of its tentacles is equipped with suckers that allow it to grip objects or prey by creating a vacuum. In addition to using its tentacles for swimming, it employs another method for movement, especially for escape: a jet of water released under pressure. As it breathes through its gills, water accumulates in a siphon located in its head, and when expelled, it propels the octopus through the water. Its sense of touch is highly developed, helping it locate prey by detecting vibrations in the water. It also has excellent eyesight, being one of the most visually advanced invertebrates. It can focus precisely and adapt to changes in light, allowing it to find food and avoid threats. Additionally, this species is capable of seeing some colors, which helps it replicate the tones of the animal it wishes to mimic more accurately. Octopuses are extremely flexible and can squeeze into tight spaces, but their visual organs are not as pliable. It is said that an octopus can pass through any opening as long as its eyes can fit through. Its pupils are horizontally slit-shaped and positioned above its head, allowing for a panoramic view and constant awareness of its surroundings. However, this is not enough to deter predators, which is why it relies on its mimicry. It is capable of imitating 15 animal species, although this number may be exaggerated, as some of the mentioned species are variations of the same one. Its ability to mimic depends on the circumstances. When hunting, it takes the form of a flounder so that its prey does not immediately recognize its octopus shape and flee. If attacked, it can adopt the appearance of a lionfish, which is venomous and capable of deterring predators. However, this strategy depends on the type of hunter. For example, if pursued by a damselfish, the Mimic Octopus will hide in a hole with 6 tentacles while using the other 2 to imitate a sea snake, its natural predator and one of the most venomous animals in the world. It can also mimic sea sponges, corals, stingrays, jellyfish, and frogfish. It achieves this thanks to its intelligence. Yes, octopuses are among the smartest animals in the world. Its vision, its flexibility, and its ability to change coloration. But all of this is just imitation, as this octopus is not venomous, so it largely depends on predators believing its performance. However, if predators do appear, such as small sharks, the aforementioned damselfish, which attacks them when it fails to intimidate them, and barracudas, though they also have a wide selection of prey, they primarily feed on crabs, snails, and small fish like smelt. Their diet can vary depending on their location, as well as whether they are in captivity. Additionally, it is suspected that this octopus is the only one that stalks in underground tunnels. It is well known that octopuses have 3 hearts, 2 responsible for pumping deoxygenated blood to the gills, and a 3rd that circulates oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Although this is partially true, they do not actually have 3 hearts, but rather 3 heart chambers. This is because each chamber performs functions that, in other animals, are carried out by a single organ. Moreover, their blood is blue because, instead of having hemoglobin, which contains iron and helps transport oxygen, they have hemocyanin, which contains copper molecules instead of iron, giving it its unique color. Who would have thought? Octopuses are the true nobility of the planet. For now, as this is a relatively recently discovered animal, there is no available information about its reproduction or average lifespan. Additionally, its population is unknown, which prevents it from being listed in any conservation category. However, with its unique behavior, it could be said to be the greatest mimic of all the seas. This animal has gained some popularity, which contributes to the study of its previously unknown habits. The darling of the sea, one of the most remarkable inhabitants of the oceans, is a fighter that uses its intelligence to its advantage. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and share it so more people can discover this channel. I'll leave my social media handles so we can stay in touch, and I'll also use them to make relevant announcements about the channel. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.